How to fix Snapchat glitch on your Snapchat. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem on Snapchat. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just go to your Snapchat and you will open it like this. Then you will go to apps, and on apps you will find all the application that you have on your phone. Now what you should do, just go to Snapchat here, open Snapchat, and then go to storage, then go to the bottom here to this button, click OK, and go again to first stop, click OK, and then you will back to your home page to Play Store and you will update Snapchat, and that's it, your problem will fixed. So I hope this video helpful for you. Do not forget to like, also to subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.